Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 21st of March 2022. So today market drop in the morning, but technology stock still rebound because US Friday rebound, US market rebound, so technology stock rebound. So it's a chance to make some to recuperate some losses if you already got caught during the previous drop but as I said, this one is not an opportunity to invest, just opportunity to exit and opportunity to buy some, so that you can knock out some of your losses. Okay, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Don't forget subscribe, like, share, and comment. Support the channel. Want to open an account? Try the CGS-CIMB account. Can also trade overseas. The link in my Facebook and below this video. Introduction first, then we go talk about the share. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, don't forget, Saturday, Sunday. B Auto, this one got one news today. Say B Auto continue to go up. This one we already talked about it. B Auto we already highlighted many times. Okay, this one this morning also the bank also say it got chance to go up lah. So just post this one up. Just post this one out. This one got nothing. How come? This one say Aeon also got chance to go up. Aeon. Okay, Aeon also got chance to go up. We take a quick look lah. Aeon. What else? Okay, so let's check out today KLCI. See what happened. KLCI. Okay, KLCI drop. Today drop. Okay, as I said, I don't see momentum. Friday. Remember, don't forget our this video. Saturday, Sunday video, weekly stock review. Okay, mostly we talk quite a lot about the technology stock. And also this Sunday and Saturday we look at all the sector. Okay, look at all KLSE sector. So from the sector review we don't see a lot of momentum we don't see a lot of momentum. So so today drop like expected. Okay, so today's slight drop. As I said last week okay, we expect the price to be like, you know, sideways, probably probably a little sideways, up and down so today start to drop a bit. This one hanging man. If today drop, this one is a hanging man. So most likely this one is a reversal pattern. Okay, so let's look at BURSA morning. Sentiment 53, not bad. Gainers 390, losers 345. So still gainers still more than losers, but volume quite small, 932 million. Monday morning normal now it's only 11.26 only 11.26 only. So 10 points down already 0.65%, 1580. So morning open straight away drop okay, continue to drop. So no support from the institution. So morning consumer up 0.36, industry drop 0.17, construction up 0.34, technology today rebound 2.7, finance down 0.64. Finance, I think finance cannot finance not cannot. Okay, from Saturday we look at the finance. Okay, I think it will drop. If Monday, Tuesday drop means it will correct first. Not to say that finance already cannot play, means it already go very far now. It need to rest for a while. And property up 0.13, plantation also dropped 0.53, RET up 0.339, energy up a bit 0.62, healthcare drop 0.75, telco slowly start to rebound 0.42, transportation up 0.19, utilities up 0.15 Okay, look at top gainers. Okay, we got top gainers today. Technology stock MPI F&N very low volume. F&N I talked about it last week. KOBAY GREATEC. Yes, KOBAY GREATEC. GREATEC quite a big rebound. VITROX. VITROX, take a look. VITROX, SAM, Penta. So all the technology lah. Penta. Do full Franken, all these I already talked about it on Friday lah. So we just pick a few lah. It's the same lah. Most of them the rebound is the same lah. Nilex 37 up 37 point. This one cannot chase lah. TechChamp. TechChamp I talked about it last week. DNO, Genetec. Genetec long time didn't talk. Take a look at Genetec. CGS-CIMB. Look at CGS-CIMB. Country high. Revenue got volume. Take a look at revenue. Revenue also got volume. Revenue long time didn't talk about it, so just take a look. ATEC also got some volume. Others already talked many times lah. KSM, all these ME, all these already very many times lah. So we just focus a few lah. A few of technology stock. Their movement is the same lah. Their movement is basically the same lah. Okay, look at MPI first. Okay, MPI continue to go up. So MPI I said 37 to 40 got chance. Okay, if you want to recover some of your losses, there's a chance that the price could come back here. Okay, pick some bottom here. I don't feel that it can go high, very high anymore. But I think a short-term rebound, okay, is quite possible. Okay, so as I said, okay, you maybe you already bought at the high here. You've lost a lot of money. You say, yeah, already lost a lot of money. I just take a chance. Okay, buy this up, buy this rebound, buy this short-term rebound, so you can recuperate some of your losses. If you buy it very high, at 46, maybe this time it go to from 36 to 40. Maybe you can just get back some cash lah. MPI, KOBAY also big rebound. See whether KOBAY can buy in. See KOBAY can buy in. Okay, this rebound, I am taking it as an opportunity to exit. It's not to invest. If you are out of the market, out of technology, right? I don't think now is the time to invest in technology. I don't think so. But anything can happen. But I don't think so. But if you still get caught buying high, holding the stock before it fall down, big fall, right? This is the chance to run. Okay, there's a few ways to run. If you don't lose a lot of money, you say when it rebound back, I just sell it lah. Okay, then it's okay. But you said I really lost a lot of money, so I want to recuperate some cash. So I really lost a lot lah. So nothing to lose lah. So I just buy some. So when it go out, at least it counter my losses, right? Some of my losses to make back profit is very difficult but counter some of your losses. Then this one you can buy a bit. Okay. This one look at 4.4, even higher, maybe 4.4 to 5.0. This one, okay. Similar, but wait for breakout first. Wait for a breakout. Wait for like this one, the breakout. No breakout means it got not enough energy to go up. To rebound. Okay, wait for a breakout. today I maybe talk slightly longer because this is very important, right? A lot of you guys maybe already holding the technology stock already lose money, so try to recover lah. I'm not saying that this one guarantee we can make back the recover, but at least there's a chance as I said in our analysis, right, chart analysis, what we can see: opportunity, danger, sentiment, and history. Right now we see a opportunity, but it's a very short term one. It's a short term. So this one possible it can come back to 4.4, 4.7 or 5.5. Okay, like GREATEC, right? So you buy in, maybe you can make back some money that day. You buy in, maybe you can make back like 16% to 30%. 15 to 30% back. So at least you can counter some of your losses. And VITROX. VITROX also all break out already. So this is a chance that you can this one possible it can come back to here, 820. Look at 820 possible it can come back to 820, so you can make, you can recover some money here, 10% maybe, maybe even higher. Let me see. 830, 834. Penta. Okay, Penta also break out, so you can pick some, So is this one can go back to 4.1, 4.4. Okay, so you can actually make back some 13 to 22%, 13 to 20%, okay, of the some profit . So ATEC. ATEC also got some rebound. ATEC is very volatile. This one is a new stock. Volatile, very, very volatile. So when is Farm Fresh going to get listed? When was the day? Hold on. Tomorrow, right? Farm Fresh tomorrow, 22nd, right? 22nd of March. Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna see the movie how it plays out . This one ATEC cannot . ATEC is on the downtrend channel . Okay, in the downtrend channel, so this one cannot. For now, I don't see anything can play . But I think it got a breakout. Those buying high maybe got chance to run . I don't see this one can go. Probably the goring already finished . Probably the goring already finished. So this rebound got chance to run first . ATEC. GREATEC. Long time never look at GREATEC . GREATEC already finished scoring . So GREATEC already finished scoring . If you want to play any rebound opportunity to run first . Rebound towards 2.69 this area, maybe you want to run first . GREATEC I think finished scoring already . Revenue. Revenue trying to go back up . Looks like got something revenue. But look at this . It's still below the channel . Still below the channel . I will not play because it's still below this channel . Below this channel, so this one is too close. If you buy now, straight away you're gonna hit the channel top . So revenue I will not I will not play. SAM. SAM, any rebound opportunity to run, as I said, okay, price redrop, this rebound is opportunity to run, so if you already buy high, you get caught, this rebound, is a chance to run for SAM. Aeon. Okay, so Aeon, last time we make, this rebound didn't happen, so Aeon, this rebound didn't happen. Now what it's doing, let me see, long time never look at Aeon. Now it's sideways, now it's trying to rebound. Okay, Aeon, look at this one. If it goes through, then maybe can try Aeon. Okay, Aeon maybe I think can try. If it goes through this one, 1.545, I pay probably, I think it can come back to here 15%, 1.76 and see what happen. Aeon, I think maybe can. Keep an eye on Aeon. Keep an eye on Aeon. Stop loss, put it here. 1.445. 5%. Okay lah, try it out, 5%. Aeon CGS-CIMB. Oh, CGS-CIMB, oh, a big drop, crazy, this stock really crazy, this stock, I already finished scoring, don't play, any rebound, if you caught buying the high, just opportunity to run only, this one don't play, look at this, also scary, okay, so let me see, I got miss anything or not. MPI KOBAY GREATEC revenue, SAM, Aeon, ATEC. Okay, so that's it for in the morning. Okay, we'll talk about it again. We'll talk in the evening again. Okay, bye bye.